Hello everyone, my name is Nilanjana Sarkar and I am a postgraduate from Calcutta University. I have a teaching experience of more than 15 years and I am sure that all of you must be knowing by this time that I have also designed a number of courses for my students which help them to learn English language in a very short duration of time, which also aids them in speaking and writing correct English. Today's video is based on a new thing, a new topic. Actually, I was a little caught up with some other things. I was preparing my content all these days, so there was a small gap in coming back with a new video. I was also caught up with my website development. Yes, I've launched my new website and I'm going to talk about my new website with all of you today. As I was telling that today I have come in front of you to talk about my course, which is Master Writing Skills for Working Professionals. And I want to talk about this with all of you. So first of all, let us understand why we need to develop professional writing skills. If you're working as in a corporate or in a service or any kind of profession, you have to understand one thing, that writing skill is very important in all kinds of profession. Writing is something which you will need in your profession at some point of time. And if your writing is filled with grammatical errors, if your writing is filled with typo errors, shoddy vocabulary, nobody's going to take you seriously. So today I want to share with you all that what are the reasons that one should develop professional writing skills, and if you develop professional writing skills, how it's going to benefit you in your professional life. So let's take a look. First of all, if you have professional writing skills, the very important thing is you can write convincing emails. Convincing emails means you can use the power words, you can have those great openings, great statements at the very beginning of your email which can strike a chord with your client. So convincing emails is something that you all need to learn if you are in any kind of profession. Next is business presentations. With this course, you're also going to learn how to write business presentations and how to write reports. So I'm going to teach all these things in this course. Second, you will learn how to convey your ideas with clarity. If you have good professional writing skills, you will know how to convey your ideas and suggestions with clarity, because you will know which words to use, how to use them, and which words needs to be avoided. Next, let us come with something which is very trending these days. I'm sure all of you know that today we are all living in the world of social media. If you master writing skills, you will be even conversant with social media. Let me tell you how you're going to do it. You will be able to write engaging blogs. You will be able to make a lot of good posts, unique posts, catchy headlines in your Instagram, Facebook. And in that way, you will be conversant with social media. And if you have a good writing skill, you can do all these things. So the next point that I want to cover is, if somebody has good writing skills, he gets considered for promotions and hikes. So you will be standing in a much more better position than your other colleagues if you have good writing skills. And the last but not the least, you're going to become more confident if you have writing skills which can impress anyone. Make a note, if a person has good writing skills, he is considered to be more intelligent, he is considered to be more credible, and he is also considered to be more capable. And that's the reason I have put this point over here, that he is considered for promotions and hikes. So what I would like to tell all of you is, if you want to go for this course, you have to come to my website, and I have written the address on this board. It is www.nellyscreation.com. So visit my website, you can get access to my course, you can get yourself enrolled, and you will see you will be benefited in a number of ways. Also at the same time, I would like to tell you that please do subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to click the bell icon because I do keep making a lot of videos and I don't want you to miss it out. Okay. Also, almost every week I'm coming with a new video to connect with all of you. If you have any questions about this course, you can just put it in the comment section. I will definitely get back to you. And if you want me to develop any other course on which you have a doubt, please get back to me. I'm surely going to answer all your queries and doubts. And at the same time, you can also stay connected with me on my Facebook account. You can connect with me on my Twitter account and LinkedIn. And I have given all the links in the description box. So I'm sure you're going to get connected with me, subscribe to my channel. If you feel that this course will be helpful to any of your friends or relatives, please do share it with them so that they can also be benefited. That's all for today. I hope we'll stay connected. Thank you and have a great day.